Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here. Well, I'm excited to share with you guys my happy mail. This is from OHSOPAPER Company and it is my monthly subscription. This is box number 2 in a row, so I'm so excited about that. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. Woo! Oh, it's lovely. And the sticker here says, escape somewhere tropical. I'm gonna use this too. Yes, I will be taking that off. Oh, they got the pink paper again. Oh my gosh, we have a pouch. Woo, that's the first time we get a pouch and I love it. It's clear. The pouch is clear. It's so cute. And it doesn't feel like a cheapo either, you know? Nicely made for a clear pouch. I love it. Woo! Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's see if we have a menu card. No menu card, but that's fine. So, as you guys know, she includes like a postcard in every single subscription kit. And I haven't sent one to anyone yet. They're mine. Isn't this cute? Adorable. Oh my gosh. I love it. Girls trip. And then here's the magnet. It's so cute. That's the magnet. They're on their ski jet. So adorable. Love it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And so we got the magnet, the postcard, and the postcard on the back says, "Miss your face." I love it. This is so cute, guys. Okay, next up, we have a notepad. Oh my gosh. And once again, the colors on here is very vivid, very vibrant. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I love it. And it's a nice stack of paper too. So cute. She's on her swing like Tarzan. They're playing with the flamingos. Got on the cute bathing suits. This is so pretty, you guys. Love it. That's so cute. Okay, and then here, let's cut this open. And we have the coloring book. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, we have the cute outfits. Yes. This looks like a little bottle of something. Maybe she found a bottle on the beach. So cute. Look at her little outfit. Her headband on. Here's that cute picture that's on the postcard. And then here is a cute little outfit with her cover up, I guess. And she's pushing her friend on the swing. So cute. Love it. So cute. That's cute. They're feeding the flamingos, or whatever birds those are. I think they're flamingos. And she has her beverage with her sunglasses. That is adorable. So cute. All right, guys. So next up, we have our sticker kit. Oh, I love it. Look at this, you guys. So pretty. Let's open this up now. I'm so excited, you guys. And look at how rich the colors are. It's just fabulous. And I have to say it every month. I just enjoy seeing how each box evolves into something even more. And so this has just been awesome to witness. So we have 5 dolls for this collection. We have Lorraine, Milan, Stella, Nori, and Aspen. So cute. Love it. So on this sheet, we have the larger dolls. And then we have the mini friends. And then on the second sheet, we have the medium-sized dolls. And I love the pigment. It's just very, I mean, she does not go easy on the ink. This is really nice. And so we have the box stickers, we have your flags, and they all complement the primary colors within the outfits. Then we also have Zoe. So I am guessing that Zoe is going to be a permanent fixture in the subscription kits. And she's been in there for the last couple of months, last few months now. So, which is cool. This one looks like she's holding the camera in one hand. I'm not quite for sure what's going on in the other hand. I'm thinking maybe like a passport situation. Who knows? Because they're on vacation, sightseeing, that kind of stuff. And then we have Zoe in her bathing suit. And again, they're in the colors, the primary colors of the kit. So that's pretty. Ooh. I don't know if you guys know this. Some of you guys have now subscribed to the OHSOPAPER subscription kit, but these full box stickers are a brand new item as of the last couple of months. I believe May was the first month she introduced these full box stickers, and they're beautiful. Okay, so I have been a subscriber since she first introduced her subscription kit, and this subscription kit has just continued to evolve, and I'm just so excited by it all. So we have a mini friend here. They were originally called mini Eastas, now they're called mini friends. So if I go back and forth, forgive me. I'm used to calling them mini Eastas. But we have a mini friend here. It looks like she found a bottle on the beach. And then we have another one who are a set of friends who one is on the swing and one is pushing her on the swing. So that's cute. Look at that sunset in the back. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then we have another set of besties over here taking a cute picture together. And then we have these friends. They're in the water feeding the flamingos. I don't know if I've ever fed a flamingo. I do have a picture of when we went to Disney and I was standing next to a flamingo. I for sure wasn't super close, but I did the one leg stand, how a flamingo does. So I do have that picture somewhere here. And then we have the flamingos, some box stickers that have some of the friends on there. And then we have some more decorative stickers down here. I love this one with the girl just standing looking out in the water like this one was. And then we have some checklist stickers. And then this one says, paradise isn't a place, it is a feeling. So I guess we all need that quote right now, since our traveling has been limited. So it's what you make it. So love that. Ooh, and we have this decorative sticker, which I really love. That's pretty. And then you have some floral stickers. You have Escape Somewhere Tropical. And then we have some, I guess, border stickers or trims. And then we have this bestie picture right here, which is really nice. Life is a beach, enjoy the waves. That's cute. And some more decorative flowers here. And then this is the sticker of the month. In case you guys are not familiar with OHSOPAPER, every month, this has been going on as long as I've been a customer, which has been about almost a couple of years now. Every month for the first 7 days of a release, I think it's 7 days, she will provide you a free sticker of the month with any physical purchase that you made. And it used to be she would have a digital purchases, but you didn't get the freebie with that. And now she doesn't do digital at all, so I guess it doesn't matter. But anytime you buy something, for that limited amount of days, you get this freebie sticker or whatever the sticker is for the month. And then you also have the option to buy the monthly sticker as well, as long as they're available. So that's cool. I collect these too. I usually get at least a couple, so that way I can use one but keep one, because it's just really cool to look back on the monthly stickers. So because they really do tell you or indicate the theme for the month. And then we have some full box stickers with the doll on each corner, which is very pretty. And you have a half box here, that's nice. And you have your matching flags, bullet stickers, and tassless stickers. I really like that. And you have your note to self stickers down here at the bottom. Okay guys, so that is the entire subscription kit. I love each and every element that was in this particular box. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get more information about new releases, plan with me, Bible studies, etc, etc, etc. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell, so anytime I go live or post new videos, you'll be notified. And please go ahead and hit that like button so that I know that you like this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Until the next time, bye bye.